Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya u
Kanilang BJP na nongba dali u Divish Kumar bat kasmiti siya ilmi kaong bakicing penyoso ya kalentiral khasi Jaiñtia district kadi kabenta ko santam jong kajing I jonga jong Sorkar pdeng nakabenta kajimon toy jong kajala kathan stela mingi unjuk kajala mekliaru kadon bun ki projek ki bapenyoso hani kathan stela mingi yak bon sedang bat kani kadi banyak cakmat tang ladaki paidbah nong sinsong jong kajala meklia ki Jaiñtia pakalapun kut kabuang bak Sorkar pdeng kancung kia ya kajing jeng paidbah lama kajing keren bakajing sutu jengmut
by the rail link for the first time in independent India. You know, the Sairang section to Bhairabi, which is on Assam-Mizoram border. It was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister in September last year. And it has proved to be a boon. So Honorable Prime Minister wants each and every state to be connected by the rail network. But this has to be done with the help of the local population. Yes. So the moment we feel that the local population is up for it, you will get it. We are more than willing. There are just 3 states in the northeast where there is no rail connectivity, but it has to be with the help of the common people, of the local people.
And we feel, I feel your pain when you ask this question. It's so important that people of Meghalaya get something as basic as that. But I think the work has begun, and this is a very important integral part of the central government's vision and Prime Minister's vision. And I think the work has begun. So we will ensure that it's implemented. And we really hope that all the states are connected, and also intrastate connectivity is there. So we are completely dedicated and committed to it.